welcome back to my YouTube channel HTN Maths Academy. Today ETA PET CBT questions and answers पास पेपर है। यहाँ पर हम ETA CBT जो PET के लिए हुआ था उसका जनरल साइंस पोर्शन जो है आपके साथ यहाँ पर विद करेक्ट आंसर शेयर करेंगे। इंशाल्लाह न्यू टीचिंग जॉब बहुत जल्द एडवर्टाइज होंगे। Question 1. Which law is used in pressure opening a bottle? Newton's third law. 2. In spirit level, to find an inclined surface angle must be 0 degree or 90 degree. The biggest layer of Earth by volume, mantle. The basic unit of universe, galaxy. We inhale oxygen through which path? Nose, windpipe, trachea. In Brownian motion, particles move in zigzag pattern. A 30-gram solute dissolved in a solvent. This solution is dilute. Sound is a longitudinal mechanical wave. Speed of sound in vacuum 0. Which chemical is used in batteries? Acid, typically sulfuric acid, not phenol. For full fat yogurt, which milk is used? Whole milk. Trees convert light energy into chemical energy by photosynthesis. Solvent used in paint, ink, dyes production. Turpentine. Pure sodium hydroxide NaOH is called Li or caustic soda. If 1 joule of energy is used to move 1 coulomb of charge, it's equal 1 volt. Nearest known dwarf star Sirius B is located at 8.6 light years. Pertussis is also known as whooping cough. Steam is used in a soap formation to melt the fat. Why is fixing used in film processing? To remove residual silver halides. And being faint is attracted due to opposite charges. How is extra water removed from the body? Urine and feces. Magnesium requirement age 3 to 15 years, 130 to 410 milligram per day. What percent of protein in the human body? 16 to 18%. Calcium requirement up to 15 years, 1000 to 1300 milligram per day. Iron requirement in children 7 to 10 milligram per day. तो आज की क्लास में हमने आपके साथ ETA CBT PET टेस्ट जो 24 MCQs थे साइंस के, यानी पूरा पोर्शन हमने आपके साथ विद करेक्ट आंसर यहाँ पर शेयर किया। इंशाल्लाह इसके बाद मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोज़ आपके लिए बनाता रहूँगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।